we're back on site over at our sex shop in Aldershot. We've got loads going on at the moment. We've got some real big issues that I want to show you, so come have a look. So by opening up this building, we knew it was old. We knew it was like almost 100 years old, but we've got some real bad issues with the brickwork. So I just want to show you those, but more importantly, some positive news. All the stills have gone up now in their final location. This floor is getting poured in a few days, where we're going to bring it up about 100 mil, just so we can get everything nice and level. And if you come through to the back, you'll be able to see exactly what I mean with regards to the ceiling. Has all been completely taken out. The joists where the trees were growing through the brickwork over 100 years or so, the only thing that was holding the floor together was all the floorboards. So as we started lifting the floorboards, the timbers just disintegrated and effectively ripped the whole floor out. The whole thing was bouncing. So we've got new joists going in today. We've got to rebuild this whole wall where it's so bad. We're going to put external wall insulation on the outside and put brand new sort of 9x3s through to take this new bedroom. But yeah, you can see it's pretty bad, but you know, a few more days and the chippies and they'll sort it out. So show you on the next video what we're going to do with all the stub work. We're going to have all the floor's going to be nice and level, staircases should be going in, all the stub work will be up, and the electrics and plumbing will be taking place. So see you on the next video. Take care.